In front of me is Samsung Galaxy M15 and today I would like to show you where you can locate all your downloads. First of all, you need to find an app called My Files and click on it. Then select Settings in the pop-up and click on grey switcher next to Allow Permission. When you're finished, you can click on the top left corner or on the back button. Lastly, select Downloads under Videos. As you can see, all my downloaded files are over here. To access one, click on it and click on one of those options, like Gallery. Then tap on it just once or always. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!